Welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe and share. Hey y'all, I'm back for another quick short video. I'm here to show you the beads that I purchased online, and I absolutely love when I go online and I see various creators online. They show the bead haul that they do. I get really inspired. So what I'm attempting to do is to inspire you by showing you the fabulous beads that I got online and some of the things that I bought at Joanns fabric. It's going to be a really quick video. I don't have that much to show with regard to Joanns fabric, but I found this bead store online. It is called the Bumble Bead Company. Now you can go on your, if you have shop, it's SHOP. If you have that app on your phone, they are listed on there, or you can just Google it. I usually get some of my beads from Winnie and Co. And also, this is the first time I purchased something from the Bumblebee Company. Now, these colors are absolutely fire and they are amazing. And I want to share them with you because these are absolute spring colors. This is summer colors, and you can even take these colors into fall if you really wanted to. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you the first one. Now, the first package, this is the whole thing of beads. I have two different colors in here. One is the hot pink and the other one is orange, but it's actually called astral pink. Astral pink. And it is made with a bronzy type of burnt orange color, but it also has hues of pink in it, so they call it astral pink. I love these. These are 20 millimeter, and I'm gonna have fun with these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you a little bit closer. Absolutely gorgeous. The next package of beads that I got was this beautiful lilac color, very light color beads, along with the silver beads. These are also 20 millimeter. These are absolutely fabulous. Listen guys, I had to share this. You know, when you are a creative person, you need inspiration. And so again, I love to go online and see all of you creating something different, using different pendants or different colors. And me, I'm a color girl. I am attracted to colors. I love colors. So needless to say, that's why you're going to see all this colors. This particular one is, it is a hot pink, but it's more of a marble, in a marble color. It's more marble-ish. And I don't really want to open my package yet, guys, because I'm not going to use them yet, and I don't want them all over the place. You know how it works. So if you see that one right here, you can see how beautiful that pink is, that marble is, okay? Then you also have the other bead here, if you can see it, hopefully you can. It is the white, red, and blue. Reminds me of the flag a little bit, the American flag. But I love the color. Or, you know what? It actually reminds me of 4th of July. So I love that color. I'm going to have fun with that. Now, this one is called Plum Wine. For some reason, I was mixing this up with burgundy. Okay, burgundy and plum wine. They may be in the same family. I think it's purple and red, to be honest. I think they're combined colors. But anyway, this is plum wine. And these are 20 millimeters as well. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, the last bead I got, package of beads I got from here, it is these beautiful yellow. And I got a request for doing some yellow pieces. So this will be very good for me to start off with. So also, it is gunmetal inside of there too. Love the quality of the beads thus far. I can actually say that these are more beautiful in person than they are online. I'm not kidding. They really are. Get your own package and work with it. So again, I got 5 packages, and this is the hot pink with the astral pink in it. This is the lilac and the silver, which is really good. And this is the hot pink with the marble, and also 4th of July beads right there. That's what I'm going to call them, 4th of July. And then we have the plum wine. And that's going to look fabulous with some yellow, guys. Watch. I might come on here and show it to you. And then lastly, again, this is the gunmetal along with the yellow. Now, let me show you what I did purchase at Joanns. So at Joanns, I was looking at more of pendants. And I haven't taken this out here, guys. So I went and purchased some more of these metal beads, because I have a necklace that I need to do. This particular necklace I'm going to work on. I love these beads. I love these beads. Okay. This is from Joanns fabric. I also got these pendants right here. They were on sale today. And I actually got 3 of them. There's 3 in a pack. The ones I got. And then I got this beautiful agate, raw agate, druzy agate. And it's called druzy because it has this beautiful gold texture around it. But it's still raw. It's really, really beautiful. And then I also got some pearls. Yeah, these are 16mm pearls. A little bit smaller than the 20mm. And then I got these gigantic ones. These are about 40mm. I usually do something special with those. Now, last but not least, I got this large stone here. This is it's a large stone. It's like a ceramic piece. It's really gorgeous, and I'm gonna have fun doing that too. Well, that is all that I have for you today. I wanted to share the colors that I have. Hopefully you'll get inspired to create something fabulous. Get you some great colors. I don't care what the colors are. The colors can be lime green. It doesn't matter. Get something that inspires you. Hopefully the colors that I showed you will inspire you to go out there and purchase your own. Again, the company that I went through is called the Bumblebee Company. And also Joanns Fabric. And I have some other people that I use as well. So happy beading. And I hope that your creativity will flow very, very well. This is going to be the end of my video. I will be back for another video. That video will be something else I'm doing or working on. But I wanted to share with you all what I was working on, the colors I was working on. I am so grateful for the community of women that are on here that create different things. And we share ideas. We exchange and share ideas, which is nothing wrong with that. We all make totally different jewelry, and so there's no competition in that. And so I don't mind sharing where I get my items from, and I hope that you don't either. Well, with that being said, I thank you for stopping by and watching my video. Until the next video, I will see you later.